Good morning from Chicago. If you saw our last video, we arrived yesterday. Well, actually, I guess technically this morning, really late or really early, depending how you look at it, from Jamaica. It is much colder here, but if you saw the end of our last video, I didn't tell you why we're in Chicago, so as you can probably tell based on the title of this video, we are actually apartment hunting in Chicago. So that's really fun. We're also visiting friends. We have a bunch of friends here, which is kind of why we're apartment hunting to like potentially move here. So gonna take you along today for that. But first we need to get some breakfast, and then we have like 5 apartment tours today. So let's get excited.
It's gonna be long.
It's gonna be great though.
Let's do it.
Woo!
Just made it to our first spot. It's really fancy.
Our first stop is 111. This bathroom was actually pretty nice. This is the main bedroom and bathroom ensuite. Honestly though, kind of small. This bed here is a queen size bed, and as you can see, there isn't a whole lot of room, but the view is really nice. It had okay closet space, not great for 2 people with all their clothes, and there isn't much other room for like a bureau or some drawers to put stuff in. So overall, not the best main bedroom. But then moving on into the main part of the apartment, this is heading back towards the front door. Pretty big closet there. Front door on the right, and then the second bathroom. Good sized bathroom overall, really, really nice. And then into the living space. This is the second bedroom now, and it's actually staged as an office, which we really like because that is what we would use a second bedroom for and what we're hoping to do as kind of a setup. So it was kind of good to see that and have like more of an idea of what that would maybe look like. And this view is just absolutely awesome of the river. Into the kitchen area now. Kitchen's really nice, really modern. We like it a lot. Pretty good sized living area. It's a corner apartment, so the views are just amazing all around, especially of the city. I mean, look at that. That is just absolutely gorgeous. Great place to wake up to every morning. Moving on into the more social areas of the apartment, this building has a ton of them all over the place. You can see this is absolutely massive with a bunch of tables and chairs to get to know other people that live in the building and hang out with them. And this view again is just awesome of the river. That is beautiful. Then into the gym area. This gym is massive. As you can see, this side is kind of the cardio area, and it has floor to ceiling windows, absolutely amazing views to work out with. And over to the other side, Sarah was surprised about that. It's actually huge. Again, the free weight area over there, really, really spacious and nice. Awesome gym. And this apartment actually has an indoor lap pool, which is awesome because if you don't know, Sarah and I met on our swim team, so we actually really enjoy swimming and would actually love to do some laps in there. And then they have this dedicated yoga room where you can go for classes. I think they offer 3 free classes per week, or you can come in here on a first come, first serve basis and do your own thing. Absolutely spacious, looks awesome, really great building overall in our opinion. Moving on to apartment number 2. This apartment was okay. As you can see, a lot of great natural lighting. It is a corner unit, pretty good views, but there are the train tracks right there, and the person showing us around said that the train doesn't come that often and it's not that noisy, but you do kind of get used to it as like a city noise, and so we kind of took that as like, okay, the train comes often and it's pretty loud, so that obviously wasn't great to see or hear. And then the apartment itself was pretty spacious, kind of a weird situation, like shaped rooms. Kitchen's really nice, but overall, like the room shapes again are kind of odd. As you can see, there isn't really like a square area to put things in. It's kind of weird triangle shaped buildings. Bathrooms are nice, they're pretty spacious. Overall, not a bad place, but not our favorite. And again, there's those train tracks, not ideal. And then moving on into the gym, pretty small gym, nothing impressive really. Kind of like a bigger hotel gym. And then moving on to the outside areas, this is kind of the social scene for if you want to hang out in the summer when the weather is nicer. No pool at all in this building, and the views were pretty good, but again, not our favorite. They did have a business center in there for working from home, but I wouldn't necessarily say that's a huge plus for us, but not a con, I guess. Next is apartment number 3, the Hudson Tower. Bathroom number 1, really modern, looked good. And then moving on into the second bedroom here, great office space. As you can probably tell, the view looks awesome. Square rooms, no weird shaped rooms here, which is a huge plus. And I mean, look at that view. That is just really, really nice. See some greenery in the summer, probably looks awesome. This is the main bedroom. It has a balcony, but no access from the main bedroom to it. The main bathroom is awesome. You can see this huge walk-through closet to get there. Really nice. Overall, really, really like this place. Huge shower, beautiful. Kitchen, really modern, really nice. Sarah didn't like these countertops, and honestly, they're not that great looking at them now, but they're not the worst thing. Moving on to the gym here, really nice gym, really spacious. Overall, really liked it. And then again, had some social areas here. Had a bunch of friends over that wouldn't necessarily all fit in your apartment, so that was really cool to see. And this place had bikes that you could rent for free from the building. Obviously, it's cold out, so I don't know if you'd be biking now in the winter, but in the summer, that sounds like a great way to get around the city. Apartment number 4 is the Chestnut Tower. Like this TV screen, it actually shows all the local trains and subways and what their schedule is currently. And then moving on into the gym, pretty small gym. It had kind of everything you'd need, but the space was pretty small. This is the first bathroom of the 2. This one was staged also, as you can see, pretty big. I think that was a king bed actually in there. So overall, really spacious, really nice walk-in closet. And then moving on into the living area, there's a ton of lighting here, as you can see, another corner unit, staged really well, had a lot of space. The kitchen is nice and modern. And then the main bedroom is humongous. It is absolutely massive. Probably the biggest main bedroom that we've seen and probably do see all day. King bed, huge area. Not a whole lot of closet space, but there was room for like drawers or a bureau in there, as you can see, for more clothes. And all the units that we see today are in unit washer dryer, which is a huge plus for us. And again, this is just a living area. As you can see, huge, staged really nicely. Not really our style, but good to see where furniture could potentially go. Moving on into the social area here, it was on the rooftop, which is really cool to see. It had a kitchen up there, so you could have a bunch of friends over that maybe necessarily wouldn't fit in your apartment again, and maybe cook for them or hang out up there. And then this rooftop area with the grills is so cool. I mean, this view is absolutely amazing of the skyline. And then you have some more TVs, seating areas, some fire pits. And again, this view is just absolutely chef's kiss. That is gorgeous. Our final apartment building for the day is Optima, probably the nicest building that we will see today. Absolutely magnificent. I mean, look at those floor-to-ceiling windows and that lighting. Sarah was in her glory here. But I will say in the bedrooms, they do have carpet, and they told us you could take it up for a fee, but I thought it was kind of odd just having carpet in there. But I mean, I guess not the worst thing. Had 2 closets, which was nice. This bathroom is huge, double sink, which is an absolute win. That is key. Really, really nice. And then it connected into the other part of the apartment. So we walk through and then it connects back into the kitchen and living area. And again, that view, I mean, look at all of that. You can kind of see the lake back there. Kitchen is nice and modern and beautiful. Really liked this place overall. And then the second bathroom, again, really nice for a second bathroom. Nothing special, but really nice again. And then the second bedroom, which would be a great office space. But again, it had carpet, which we were kind of a little wary about, but not the worst thing in the world, I guess. And again, you can kind of see the lake there. The social areas here were absolutely insane. This is our rooftop area. It is absolutely massive. There's a balcony out there. Again, it's cold, so we didn't go out there. I mean, that view in this area, so cool to see. There's another view of it. I mean, there are grills outside, plenty of social space for having friends over or getting to know other people in the building that live there. And then more space downstairs for some games. They had like pool, ping pong, some like shuffleboard game. I don't really know exactly what it's called, but again, super cool to see. And they even had this cozy little fireplace area indoors. And I mean, look at that. That is just so cozy and cool to see. And then moving on, they had another kitchen area that you could come and cook some stuff if you have friends over or you're looking to like maybe cook more things than you usually would. I don't know. Bunch of outdoor seating, really cool to see. And then the gym was absolutely massive. Probably the nicest gym that we've seen today, or probably will see, I'll be honest. So cool. I mean, look at that. There's like 4 squat racks there. That is humongous for an apartment gym. They even had indoor bocce, which I thought was pretty cool, and then indoor basketball and indoor squash courts. Not sure how much we'd use that, but I mean, if we lived there and they were available, why not? In the locker rooms, they had saunas, and then they even had an indoor driving range for golf. So cool. Well, it's 2 in the morning. We just went out with some friends in Chicago. That last place was very nice. So hope you enjoyed. Let us know in the comments which one you think we should pick.
We are going to go on more apartment tours in a couple days. I feel like it's good that it's separated so that we have time to like process. I don't know, this decision just feels like really big. It's not on a whim, but it happened quickly. It's very thought through and just like what we think. There's a lot of reasons and stuff, but yeah, it just kind of feels weird, this like big thing. So thanks for like coming along with us, and hopefully we'll find a good one, whether it was one from today, let us know, or one from the next day. We'll see.
Today is Sunday, because it's 2 in the morning.
Oh my god, I can't
But
keep
we
staying up till 1 a.m. and being confused about the days. This is not us.
Yeah, we've been some night owls lately. But so today's Sunday. Yesterday we saw 5 apartments. Monday we're seeing 6 more. So we have a lot more to see. We're not going to show you those next 6 because like I feel like it would be like kind of repetitive. Like you know, it's kind of boring to see like just only apartments the whole time. So that was 5. We have 6 more. We're going to pick one eventually, and you will see it then. But anyways, good night.
Good night.
But
You'll only see the best, baby. This is unraveling.